Now we take you to a place where faith knows no boundaries. The Dargah of Kapoor Baba, also known as the Dargah of Gafoor Sahab, located at the Fort Gate of Gwalior. This magnificent shrine, over 500 years old, stands as a timeless beacon of unity and social harmony. It beautifully exemplifies the spirit of coexistence between Hindus and Muslims, drawing people from all walks of life who come to seek the blessings of Baba Gafoor. Take a look.
Situated at the ancient entrance of Gwalior Fort, the Dargah of Kapoor Baba, also revered as the Dargah of Gafoor Sahab, stands as a profound emblem of enduring faith and spiritual togetherness. This cherished shrine attracts a diverse multitude of devotees, bridging religious divides and nurturing a long-standing tradition of communal harmony that has thrived over the centuries. Regardless of their beliefs, visitors find themselves united by a shared reverence for Kapoor Baba, whose presence is felt as a source of comfort and unity.
ये जो है कोई किसी धर्म से अलग कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है कि ये धर्म नहीं आएगा वो धर्म नहीं आएगा मुसलमानों को ज़्यादा गैर मुस्लिम ज़्यादा
Legends surrounding Kapoor Baba or Gafoor Sahab have woven a tapestry of mystical reverence that binds people from diverse backgrounds. The Dargah, believed to be centuries old, carries an atmosphere that welcomes devotees seeking solace, blessings, and a deeper spiritual connection. Every Thursday, devotees gather here, filling the space with chants and prayers. They seek Kapoor Baba's blessings not only for themselves but for the community at large, making this a place of shared hope and peace.
ये तो जाति पात का यहाँ पर कोई विषय है ही नहीं नाम मात्र तो भी देखिए और यहाँ तो शांतता की इच्छा जो हमारे वॉरियर्स की है वो एक विरासत में जो हफ्ते मिली है हफ्ते इसको बचपन से कहता हुए हमारी पीढ़ियों ने सबने उसके यहाँ देखा है हमारा परिवार जैन परिवार है और यहाँ लगभग 400 साल से है तब से हमारा जो बाबा कपूर से जो सिलसिला चला आ रहा है जो आज में इसके मुरीद हैं तो यहाँ पूरा हमारा जो जितना भी इसमें भी समाज रहते हैं चाहे वो ठाकुर हैं चाहे मुस्लिम हैं चाहे साथ सब यहाँ बाबा कपूर को मानते हैं.
In the bustling city of Gwalior, where history and modernity coexist, the Dargah of Kapoor Baba stands as a silent witness to the power of faith and the beauty of unity. It reminds us that true spirituality transcends the boundaries of religion, binding us in a universal brotherhood.